Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received our customer for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 6 End of Module Project 1 assignment. Our client provided some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here is summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the provided Excel file, save it with a new name, and ensure your name is displayed correctly. Step 2. Format and sort. Format the account representatives data as a table. Sort it by account rep name and total sales. Step 3. VLOOKUP and if function. Use VLOOKUP to assign tiers based on evaluation scores, and use the if function to calculate bonuses for platinum reps. Step 4. Conditional formatting. Apply star icons to highlight high, average, and low evaluation scores. Step 5. Total row and summary. Add a total row to sum bonuses, count clients, and average scores. Use functions like daverage, sumif, and countif to summarize key data points. Step 6. Advanced filter. Filter clients in the southeast with high sales, then filter out clients from other regions. Step 7. Devices table. Sort the devices table alphabetically, apply the same style, and add the missing device data. Step 8. Finalize. Double-check everything, save, and submit your project. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +40 for 7,309,655,268, or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.